Hello everybody, welcome to another video from YOLO Bike Rides. Today we have taken up a milestone journey for us because this is our first interstate travel and we are going to a very nice hill station in Tamil Nadu which is about 160-170 kilometers from Bangalore. Which is this place and what are the different sightseeing places one could visit here? Please keep watching this video to know all these details. This place was a bliss to ride. There are so many hairpin bends and each hairpin bend was named. It seems it is named after a famous Tamil poet. There are 14 such hairpin bends and cruising through them was really amazing. Overall, any biker would enjoy sailing through these wonderful roads. The roads were so good, hardly any difficulty, and it was a very easy ride. A little after the 12th hairpin bend, you will come across a very beautiful viewpoint. And perhaps this is the only viewpoint which will give such a wonderful view of the whole place. The view from this place was a sight to behold, and it gave such a wonderful view of the horizon and such greenery, the mountains. It was really amazing. After reaching the hilltop, we rested for a while and then started exploring the place on our own. And we checked around, talked to people, and asked them what is the best places to visit and so on. And we started our journey of exploring this place.
A warm hello to all our viewers. YOLO Bike Rides. This is another very interesting journey today that we've taken. Where are we? We are in Tamil Nadu. So it's our very first interstate adventure, I must say. But a very pleasant adventure, I think. Where are we in Tamil Nadu? We are in a place, in a temple town called as Yelagiri. It's around 160 kilometers from Bangalore. It's a hamlet of 14, or rather a collection of 14 hamlets, and very beautiful place. It's a hill station, pleasing hill station. Just behind me you can see one of the places over here called as Swami Malai. Swami Malai is a trekking point, about good 10 kilometers trek. This place is flooded with a lot of interesting temples, some of them even dating back to 1,000 years as well. So what is in it for the bikers? Very exciting times, because the national highway which connects Bangalore to this place, or rather to somewhere about 20 kilometers from this place, is a real fun to ride. Yeah? Don't miss out on it. Bangalore Chennai highway. And then at one place you make a deviation, turn right, and then from that point onwards you have the hairpin bends on the Ghats. Yeah, very interesting ride all the way up to this place. And once you're here, way cooler compared to other places. Roughly takes about 4 hours from Bangalore, but it's worth every bit, I must say. You could come over here on a day trip. You can manage it very well, somewhere about 300 odd kilometers, or you could also choose to stay in one of the cottages, resorts, hotels. Very good accommodations available over here. It's just that a lot of signboards are in Tamil. Getting hooked onto a right place would be a little challenge, but I think for sure people do help you to either talk in English or give you some directions wherever you want to go.
We visited one temple out of the many temples here, and the one we visited was called the Yelagirishwara temple. It's a Shiva temple. Later on, we talked to a lot of people here, tried to ask them if there's a viewpoint and so on. And actually, what we found was there is not much what bikers could do. There is a lot of trekking options, of course, but there is definitely not a high point where you could take your bike, stand there and watch the whole mountain range and so on. And as bikers, definitely we were not ready to do any trekking with our gear, so we were not up for it. There is a birds park, a family park, and also a small lake where there is a boating option. We avoided all these places as these were crowded, and we wanted to avoid crowded places due to the pandemic. So overall, it was a 10 on 10 for us as far as the ride is concerned, but having some sightseeing at the destination, there's not much we could do as bikers. However, for the sheer bliss of riding, one should definitely try this place. So that was Yelagiri Hills. Thank you all for watching, and until our next video, take care, stay safe, and YOLO, you only live once.